Hey everybody, I just got this garment steamer in the mail. It was getting ready to open it up, so I figured I would do a quick unboxing with you so we could see it fresh out of the box together. So just grab my knife and cut it open carefully to not cut whatever's inside. And this is the actual box, how it showed up here. So quick look up top, you can see coiled around at the top there is the steamer hose. Let me try to take this out. Oh, and of course the manual booklet. So let me take this out. The end here is wrapped up in bubble tape, so that's always fun. Okay, maybe I won't get it all the way out, but so here's the steamer head here. You can see nice cloth braided type tubing there. And then this other part's kind of big, so let me try to turn it, see if I can dump it. Nope, not quite, so I have to stand up and take it out of here. Okay, so you can see that was packed in there really tight, so a little bit of trouble getting that out. On the back side of the foam that wrapped the tank for the steamer, you have a couple of attachments there. Here's your telescoping rod. Has little locks here. So push that back down for now. And in the back of this one, you have your stand pieces and your garment hanger. And then a couple of clips here. I'm making a mess with this box and styrofoam. Okay, now we'll take out the main part of the steamer. Just so much plastic. All right, the tank. Looks like it has one of the kind of anti-spill mechanisms there. And here's the body of it. So it does come with wheels, so you can roll it around. Hot water lock and unlock at the bottom. And a nice cord. So I'll do another review after I get it assembled and actually use it, but just wanted to show you how it comes so you see everything that it comes with. Again, just as you saw, it was a little difficult to get out of the box, so you've got that to look forward to.